In Revit, there are 3 types of duplicating a view. Let's create 3 of them and explore the difference. Right-click on it, duplicate view. Here are the 3 types: duplicate, duplicate with detailing, duplicate as a dependent. So let's create 3 of them. Here, 3 of them are created: duplicate, duplicate with detailing, and duplicate as dependent. So here, first I want to compare the first one, the original one, and the duplicate. So let's ignore these tabs and only 2 of them. WT to tile windows, and here the difference, to clearly see the difference. So here, as you can see, with a duplicate we only duplicate the geometry, not a 2D annotations like dimensions, here room names and other, just only the base geometry. Okay, let's open the second one, duplicate with detailing. Here duplicate with detailing is here, and it is exactly the same. It duplicates everything including 2D elements. But whenever they are independent, whenever I mean let's say this, when I delete this here, for instance, in here nothing changed, so it's not dependent to or linked to each other. So the third one is duplicate as dependent. So let's open duplicate as dependent here, and this one is duplicates all including 2D elements, but it's linked together. So whenever I delete from here, even when I select it, it will select on this view too. So whenever I delete on that one view, it's gonna go from here. So it's linked, and this is usually used for larger floor plans to present as part by part. So that's the main usage of this duplicate as dependent, and I think the way it presents on the project browser is different from the other two. It creates sub branch from the main floor, the main view.